Hey guys, so just got these in the mail. I've been waiting quite some time, but super excited about them. They're the blacked out side scuttles for the F56. It's about $40, maybe $35 on Amazon, and honestly they look great. So let's install them and see how they look in the car. Alright, so this is the car with the stock side scuttles. It's these chrome runs right here, and I honestly don't mind it too much from the factory, but my problem here is that they retain water very easily. Super common problem with the F56, so easy, cheap fix, and hopefully it'll look even better. Now at this point right here, to unplug this, you actually have to twist it like that, and pop it out. I'm gonna have to put the camera down for this one. Yep, simple enough. All right. Now that it's popped into place, it looks way better. Let's do on the other side now. So, same exact process, just the other side and the other indicator here, and I'll just do it real quick and show you guys the results. Alright, and there we go. Both sides are now installed, and it looks way better than stock. Alright, so here we go. The hazards are on. They are not dynamic indicators, but for 35 bucks, can you really complain? I mean, that is a great look, much better looking than the chrome. Makes the car overall feel a lot more OEM plus and look a lot more premium. So guys, check it out. I'll link the product in the description below, and hope you enjoyed the video.